From wild growth but blooming to hard pruning to boost of fertilizer plus 1 to 2 week updates and even my Black Maria bougainvillea bloom. Let's go! Let's go! Good day and welcome to our channel. This is Green Thumb Philippines. My Tabo Buaya is starting to show off pink flowers and dami ka na namang wawalisan. We called it the cherry blossom of the Philippines, as they say. Anyways, let's go outside because I want to show you my bougainvilleas. Okay, over here. As you can see, my pink Sakura bougainvillea is bursting with blooms, but the stems are thin and so weak. As you can see, flowers everywhere, but they have a skinny or thin branches or stems. Same with my magenta variety, full bloom, but they are growing so wild. And even here with my red varieties, flowers everywhere, but the branches or the stems are so thin or skinny. So we have to hard prune this one. So I've done pruning, so it's been a hard prune now, to encourage stronger, healthier growth and fresh new sets of branches. I've pruned about 50 to 60% of the branches, so they will produce a new sets of healthier and stronger branches. Now that they are hard pruned and nicely trimmed, I will give each of them a spoonful of urea fertilizer for extra boost. This fertilizer is rich in nitrogen, and don't forget to water it immediately because it will burn your plant if you do not apply water, okay? Then after 1 week, let's check the progress. Boom! They are blooming again. Endless flowers. Wow! That's very nice. Just the way you love it. Check over here. Wow, they're growing so well. We'll check back again after 2 weeks. This is it after 2 weeks. Wow! Look at that. More blooms are popping out. Wow! They're growing so good. More blooms are popping out. Wow! They're so colorful. Let's go check my Black Maria variety over there. Wow, they finally gave me a flower for a long time. By the way, this Black Maria variety of bougainvillea is very super hard to bloom. So I'm really grateful to see now it's flowering. Wow. And that's it for now. This is Green Thumb Philippines. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.